Collision 6. Everybody be safe. Have a good night.
A collision 6 time, and I was going just about as far as she would let me go. But her evaluation of my cowboy reputation had me begging for salvation all night long. So I took her out kicking frogs, introduced her to my old bird dog, and sang her every Willie Nelson song I can think of. We made love, and I saddled up my horse, and I ride into the city. Girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Front Day, and my old stuffy boy. Gonna say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. What? Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Thank you guys, have a good night. Yeah.